Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable, and make sure the controller has charge and any firmware updates applied. Once done, put the Switch controller into Bluetooth pairing mode, press the sync button on a Pro controller, or hold the Joy-Con sync button until lights flash. While the controller is flashing, leave your phone's Bluetooth page open so it can find the device immediately, and you avoid delays or hidden timeouts. Next, you pair. On your phone, scan for new Bluetooth devices and look for the controller name such as Pro Controller or Joy-Con L/R. Tap the entry to pair and accept any permission prompts the phone shows. This lets the system use the input. Make sure the pairing status reads connected and that the controller LEDs stop rapidly flashing. If pairing succeeds, give the phone a second to register input before opening an app so you don't miss the first button press. Finally, you verify and fine-tune. Open a controller-compatible game or a controller test utility and press each button to confirm inputs register. If needed, configure button mapping inside the game or with a remapping app on your phone to match your preferred layout. If something goes wrong, first forget the device in Bluetooth settings, restart the phone and controller, then re-enter pairing mode. As a key troubleshooting tip, perform a controller reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.